Meaning of gumboot.
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 Gumboot. The term gumboot typically refers to a type of waterproof boot made of rubber or similar materials. These boots are commonly used in wet and muddy environments, such as farms, mines, and construction sites. The name is believed to come from the fact that they were originally made from the rubber of discarded vehicle tires, which resembled gum in texture. Gumboots are known for their durability, protection, and comfort, and have become a popular fashion statement in some parts of the world. Overall, gumboots offer a reliable and practical solution for those working in wet and muddy conditions.